Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how a tag persona can upload candidate profiles to resource requests and adapt interview process templates for the same. Once the tag persona navigates to the recruitment app, he or she can select any request to which he or she needs to upload the candidate profile for. Once clicked, the details view page is displayed. The user needs to navigate to the profile upload section and add files option in order to upload a candidate resume. A template needs to be adapted and also the source of candidate needs to be mentioned. The email ID of the candidate is to be mentioned. Once all the particulars are filled, the profile is uploaded and the same is landed in the Candidates tab. In the Candidates tab, further action can be performed for this particular candidate. Thank you for watching.